Today we're making our way from Panauti to Chitwan National Park. We were told it's supposed to be a 6.5-hour ride. It looks like today will be filled with bumpy roads, rest stops, roadside food, and your occasional moments which generally accompany road trips through the countryside.
Okay, that one is terrible. You have this? Oh no, okay, I can't. I can't. I don't even know how to squat on that. Oh, it smells bad in here.
I hope Chitwan National Park is going to be worth it.
You don't know it, but I noticed you right away.
Rest stop. It's a rest stop. Facilities aren't too bad. I'm just gonna have to tide me over for lunch, I think, because I'm not sure if we're gonna stop anywhere along the way. I only had 70 rupees, so I asked him if he could make me 70 rupees worth of chana. Yes, thank you very much. So we have pakora, chana. He asked if I wanted to make my chana spicier. I don't think I can handle that kind of spice. That looks like really like fresh. I'd probably burn my tongue. Oh, look at that. The reason why I like chana chickpeas is because it's packed with protein, and a lot of people can eat this as snacks, or they can just eat it as kind of like a side meal. You can see the chili right here that you put in. It's a little spicy, but not like, it's good spice. Pepper spice. Next we have the pakora. It's soft, it's moist. When I bite into it, it just like spills out oil. Good. A lot of times the pakora is filled with it's like onions and it's deep fried, and sometimes they throw in other vegetables. For 70 rupees, that's pretty good. It's gonna tide me over for a while. I feel like doing a butt massage on myself. Butt hurts. My window is broken. It's hot. We have a ways more to go. It's only around 11:43. I think we have at least 3 more hours at least, and just the climb this bus is taking. A lot of us are sleeping. You can.
Yeah, in this kind of heat, so what happens is that they will look out for shade. So definitely they will not be standing in the sun like this, like us.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
They would pop open an umbrella.
Or they'll be standing there in the shade.
I didn't realize Malaysians are so delicate.
Yeah.
That's good.
But the consolation is this lush landscape of rolling Nepali hills, which are gorgeous. Despite the discomfort, I'm glad we're taking this road.
I don't know how much more of this I can take. I'm pretty sure you will ignore every move I make. But then you look at me and smile, and I'm okay. Come over, come over, come over.
We're at lunch right now, and that was just a long, intense bus ride. But I have some really good stuff here. This is going to be rayo, papo, and honestly this is gobi, but we love papo. So first, we're going to mix the dalbat together. I'm so excited about this. This better not disappoint. Not the most flavorful dalbat I've had. The most flavorful that I've had so far was the homestay, but when you add the papo, completely different. Changes the world. The lentils are a good source of protein. We have the goat, or the cauliflower, onions, peas. I can just taste the sauce right now. That's super spicy. This might need a little papo to kind of like smooth out the flavor. Out of all of these fixings right here, there's a cauliflower that has the richest flavor. Very hearty. You could use a spork right there that we have, but I think it's so much more flavorful when you actually use your hands. This is the competition. I got a mixture of chaat, I think, for 30 rupees. So I'm not going to put my camera.
But then you look at me and smile, and I'm okay.